Ingredients of Preamble. The preamble of the Indian Constitution does not explicitly list specific ingredients or components. However, it outlines the fundamental principles and objectives that guide the Constitution. The preamble reads as follows. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation, in our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November, 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. The key principles and objectives embedded in the preamble can be considered the ingredients of the Indian Constitution. These ingredients include sovereignty. The Indian Constitution establishes India as a sovereign nation, free from external interference. Socialism. The preamble expresses a commitment to achieving a socialist society where there is equitable distribution of wealth and resources. Secularism. The Constitution promotes secularism, ensuring the state does not favor any particular religion and ensures equal treatment of all religions. Democracy. India is described as a democratic republic, where the power of governance lies with the people, who exercise it through elected representatives. Justice. The Constitution seeks to provide justice to all citizens, social, economic, and political justice, to ensure fairness and equality. Liberty. The preamble emphasizes the importance of individual liberties such as freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Equality. The Constitution aims to establish equality of status and opportunity for all citizens, irrespective of their caste, creed, religion, gender, or socio-economic background. Fraternity. The preamble promotes the spirit of brotherhood and unity among all citizens, ensuring the dignity of each individual and maintaining the unity and integrity of the nation. These principles and objectives form the foundation of the Indian Constitution, guiding the rights, responsibilities, and governance structure of the country. Thank you.